How to make your laptop faster. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can make your laptop faster. So there are basically various methods on how you can make your laptop faster. So we'll talk about all of them in this video. So the first method is that most of the laptops will run faster or smoother when they are in charge. So simply plug your device to a charger and then you will notice the difference on your laptop. Now the second method is simply turning off battery saver or low power mode on your laptop, as this will affect the performance of your laptop and then make it slower while consuming less battery. But since your device is charging, you can simply turn this feature off. Now the third method is simply clearing cache files on your laptop. Now if you have a lot of temporary files and cache files of your laptop, it will surely slow down your laptop and then make its performance worse. So if you want to clean up cache on your laptop, I have a separate video on how you can clear cache. You can simply check that video out. I leave the link in the description. Now the fourth method is simply clearing up disk space. Now I also have a video on how you can clean up or clear disk space on your laptop. I'll also leave that video's link down in the description. You can check both of those videos out. Now once you've cleared the space and you've plugged your charger in, your laptop will surely work faster than it previously was running. So in this video, I showed you only few of the steps on how you can make your laptop faster. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.